I'm going to do unboxing of Nokia 3.1, and this is the latest device in my region. Last year Nokia released Nokia 3 and now we have Nokia 3.1, and there are few of the specifications written on the back side of the box. You can see it is 5.2 inches HD plus display, which is 18:9 aspect ratio, and this is octa-core 1.5 gigahertz processor, which is by MediaTek, and I think it is MT6750, and the rear camera is 13 megapixels, front facing camera is 8 megapixels, and a huge battery of almost 3000 milliampere. And we do not have any other specifications. This one is in black color, you can clearly see, and similar specifications are where we are having Android 1 in this device. So let me just bring this out of this box, and let's just bring it out. Yes, this is the phone, you can see. And so guys, this is the phone actually, and it is very solid build. It is actually feeling very great in the hands. So let me just bring it out of this wrapper. So you can see this is the phone itself, and it is actually a very great build quality in this phone. You can see this is the phone. I am just showing it all the sides. So let me just tell you a few of the things. We have this power button and the volume rockers here, and this is just plastic on the sides, and we have this copper on the sides too, and we have these front facing speakers and the camera, and 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on the right top. And on this side we just have this SIM tray, if you can see, and on the bottom we have this USB slot and the speakers and a microphone, and we have these antenna bands, and on the back we have this microphone, camera, and a flash. So this is all about the phone. Let me just start this phone, and let's have a look what else we have inside this box. And you can see this is the SIM ejector tool, and next up we have this paperwork, and we have the charger, and this is the cable, and I just told you this is the micro USB cable. You can clearly see that this one is actually the micro USB cable, and we have these hand frees with this phone. So this is all about the unboxing of this device. So let me just put these things at the side and bring the phone to you guys. You can see this is the phone, and let's just complete this process. So let's just select English. The phone is itself setting up, so let's just move next, and let's put a pattern. So I think we do not have any fingerprint scanner in this phone. You can see we are not having any kind of fingerprint sensor. So these are few of the things which we have inside this phone. So these are a few details. So let's just go back and agree to these terms, and we are all set. Let's go. And this is the phone, guys. You can see it's 5.2 inches display, and the brightness is actually not very much. I can clearly see the display quality is not that great, and this is all about this phone. Let me just go into the settings of this device to have a look at which software version we are running, and let's go into the system and about phone. So we have Nokia 3.1. we are running on Android 8.0. so this is actually Android 1. So this is all about the unboxing of this device, and I will be posting the gaming review and 1 or 2 speed test of this device with other devices. And there are not many things. The display is not very bright, and I am not impressed overall by the display of this device, but the build quality is actually great, and it is having 3000 milliampere of battery. So let's see how this device will perform, and I will be just updating you guys with all other videos of this device. So that's it, guys. This was all about the unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.